So recently you made a comment on your Twitter that India and China they are old civilizations and they have so many things in common and it has been uh, unexplored for a long time. So maybe in future it can their cultural relation or educational relation can grow. So would you explain that or
Well, if you look at the Chinese culture, it has a strong Buddhist element, as you know. And even the Taoist element has certain connections, Taoist yoga, healing, etc., connected to India. So they have a common dharmic heritage that they can go into. The divisions were more, of course, in the communist era. And also they've had preserving their culture, resisting Islamists and other groups. They have a common uh, interest in those areas. India is not a threat to China, not going to invade China. China thinks it owns these peripheral territories, but the fact is that, Ranjit Singh had his troops had control of Kailas, Mansarovar. Nobody in China knows about Kailas and Mansarovar. Everybody in India does. So China was kind of intimidated by the West, and they've become a bit aggressive. But they need to understand that India is not the enemy. Tibet is also
but in
not their
India
enemy.
there is a perception that China is a threat to India.
China can be a threat to India. It was in the past, but it's also in the past because India was weak. Now India also has a great deal to offer China as an economic market. So this idea you have 1 billion plus in both countries. So I think there is some ground there, but again, India has to be strong, and China should go back more to its cultural roots that are pre-communist and honor its ancient culture, and that brings them closer to India. But the Chinese are doing that a bit. We have to encourage, but still there's, of course, the aggression is also there.